Hello friends, it's Rick Lisa's Kitchen in the Garden. Today we are cooking easy duck. The preparation time is about 10 to 20 minutes maximum. The cooking time is about 30 to 40 minutes maximum. It's less greasy. It takes a lot less energy and time to cook. And it's just a very good alternative to make ducks. Here's how to make it. The material you need: a nice young duck, cleaned, all the excessive fat and everything removed. 3 tablespoons of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of Chinese brown pepper. Put the sea salt and the Chinese brown peppers in the coffee grinder to grind them together into fine powder. That's the mixture of salt and Chinese brown peppers. Now you just use this as a body rub for the duck. Rub it thoroughly inside out. After a nice full body massage, we'll put the duck in a plastic bag and leave it in the fridge overnight. Now the duck has been marinated under this wonderful body rub for 24 hours. Now we just need to wash off all the body rub and get it ready for cooking. Salt and pepper is washed off. Now you just bring a pot, add enough water to submerge the duck. Put in 1 tablespoon of salt, a few slices of ginger, a couple of star anise, a little bit of bay leaves, and green onion into the water. And the water is boiling. Just submerge the duck into the boiling water. And then wait till start to boil. Looks nice. Smells really good. Turn and just let it start to boil. When it starts to boiling, turn the power down, and then just to keep the power to the point that it just keeps bubbling a little bit for 30 minutes.
Simmering.
Yeah.
Okay.
Half an hour later, the duck is cooked. This is the cooked duck. I'm just waiting for it to cool down. You can serve it hot, you can serve it cold. It's good for the 4 seasons. And it's less greasy, very delicious. I hope you enjoy your duck. And after you cook the duck, the stock is very, very delicious. You just need to pick out the bay leaves and the star anise, and you can use it. It's a super quality stock. You can use it for stew or for soup, for anything. It's very nutritious. It's very, very delicious. You will be impressed if you try it out. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. This just gives you some idea. An alternative way to cook duck, and it's equally delicious. Merry Christmas.